I'm going to teach you how to show a home. So it's going to be real short here. So when you pull up to a home, you got a husband or wife, right? You always, before you go in the home, you're in the driveway, you always ask this question. Right, well, first of all, we're on the curb. So let's say you pulled up and you have 3 to 6 homes to see today, show today. You're going to say, hey, set expectations. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, what we're going to do is we're going to see 6 homes today. It's going to take us about 2 hours. Each home we're going to be in anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes, okay? If you get inside of a home and for any reason you do not like the home and you cannot see yourself living here, just let me know and we'll leave and we'll go to the next home so you can maximize your day. If you guys like a home and you're talking about it, make sure you're talking loud enough so I can hear you, because remember, we're all working as one team to get you the home that you love. So, great. They're like, yep. What we'll do after we see the second home, we'll rank the homes. We will rank the homes. And then once we see all 6 homes, we will rank them and decide which homes we will write offers on them. It is possible today, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, that you will like all 6 homes and we could write 6 offers on all 6 homes. Yes, that is, you're able to do that. Yes. Guys, off script, a lot of home buyers don't know that they can do that. So make sure that they know. All right. They're like, okay, we're on the same team. Yep. We're happy, da-da-da-da. And so we get to the house and we're walking up the driveway. You ask every time, would you like to see the inside first or the outside first? That's very important. Very, very, very important. If you make a mistake here, it could kill your deal and force you to keep showing more homes. So some people, like myself, I'm more interested in the outdoor space and the basement than maybe what my wife might be interested in, because I want to sit outside, I want to have a fire pit, I want to smoke my cigars and enjoy, have some family time with my children, give them some good wisdom, okay? Talk to them to death. They probably get tired of it. But I want to see the outside first. If you take a person like me through the inside first, and if there's anything that I didn't like in the inside, and you gave me that speech ahead of time, I'll be like, nope, couldn't see myself living here. But if you took me through the outside first and had an amazing backyard, and I can envision all the stuff that I want to do to the backyard, and then you brought me through the deck and back into the house, and there was something I might not like that much, I might put up with it. But if you took me through the front door first and showed me the home and I didn't like something, I'd be like, no, I'm ready to go. And even though I didn't see the backyard, right? So make sure you always ask that question. You want to see the inside first or the outside first? So this is possible also. What if one person wants to see the outside first and the other person wants to see the inside first? How do you fix that? Well, you just say, hey, well, you go ahead and see the outside first, and I'll go open up the inside, and then you guys will meet on the deck, right? So then, let's say in my scenario, my wife goes through the front, I'll go around back, you come out on the deck, make sure I see you. Hey, got the door open, Anthony, for you, boom, boom, boom. When you finish looking around, just come on up. And I love the back door space, and I get back in, bang, this backyard is amazing, we can do this, that, and the third. And then I get in there and this kitchen's a little bit smaller than I wanted. You know, if it's in my price point, I still may buy the home. So what you've done is you work 2 angles at the same time. All right, got that piece out of the way. So